There you go. Alrighty. We are live, everyone. Alrighty. There you go. There you go, everyone. We are live. We're live. I just want to check here. Yes. We should be live. We should be live. There you go. How you doing, everyone? Even though after so many lives, I'm still getting used to this. Alrighty, yes, we are. Let me say hi to everyone who's watching right now. The Solution, Howdy, Bergie, Loscom, Mucho Spicy, Peter Marrero, Pablo, Santa Fe. How you doing? I'm still stacking an AMP while the cheap greetings from Galveston County. Thank you so much, everyone. Appreciate it so much. Woo! What a good one. Hi, how you doing, Sina? Welcome to the live. Welcome, everyone. So, guys, we're gonna be talking about today AMP token Cardano ACH. We make money during the crypto dips. I hope your Sunday is doing well, everyone. Welcome. Thank you, AJ, too. Appreciate it. We're doing well, Harold. How you doing? So, get comfy, everyone. Get comfy. Well, let me tell you. Let me go ahead and start the live by saying that I had a great week when it comes to the market, when it comes to cryptocurrencies. I think overall, I made the right decisions. So before I even start with this, I'm going to share with you some of the movements I had to make. So in the stock market right now, I decided to do is I moved some money from my stock market portfolio on Robinhood to cryptocurrencies. To be more precisely, I moved around $3,000 that I had allocated in the stock market, because if you haven't paid attention to the stock market right now, well, you will see that the stock market right now, it's booming a lot when it comes to the S&P, the Nasdaq, and well, that kind of scares me a little bit because we haven't really had a correction in a while in the stock market. So I'm already preventing the future correction or crash that may be upcoming. I say maybe because typically, the markets here in the US and beyond, I mean, they trend upwards. So that's why I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and make those positions, because I did want to, I think before I wanted to have more money in the stocks, but I've decided to do this. Instead of doing single stocks, I decided to better do index funds and if I wanted to trade in the stock market. So that's what I did. But some money I moved from the stock market to cryptocurrencies, and that was great. I did that this week, and I felt really great. That, everyone, if you follow me here on my portfolio on Gemini, that allowed me to get to 12,000 on Gemini, and that allowed me to buy my 100,000 AMP tokens, everyone. So yeah, I have 100,000 AMP token right now. That's what I shared with you earlier this week, and I feel excited. I cannot tell you how excited I am. I have right now, as you know, my analyticals, my technicals. I'm going to share everything with you when it comes to this, and just setting myself for success. That's what I can tell you. That's what I can share with you. Most of cryptocurrency, everyone, if you ever wanted to explode and 2x, 3x, 10x to your portfolio, you do have to act like a whale, even though we're not whales. You have to act like a whale because whales buy a lot before it explodes, and that's what I'm doing with AMP token. I really before didn't want to own so many, but now that I have 100,000, which is not that many if you compare me to other people, I think I'm setting myself for success. But here's one thing, and this is, I'm gonna get to this point with AMP token. My price prediction that I've been saying for so many months now, that price prediction is 15 cents to 20 cents, and before it was more, right? But by looking at the price where we've been with AMP token, guys, I think that there's a scenario where AMP token stays consolidated until the end of the year. because with AMP token, it's not a blockchain. It's a utility token for the Flexa network. That is AMP token in a nutshell. So if Flexa takes longer to become what we all want it to be, completely dominating the digital payment industry, that will take time. And not by adding one more merchant, it's going to raise the price of AMP token 10 cents. It's a transformation of the entire payment structure for AMP token, for Flexa, better said, which that helps the token. But it does seem that when I first purchased AMP token, guys, it was 4 cents, 4 cents. Now it's 6 cents. So it's been a while, right? And we are in the same place. We haven't moved that much. So just some comments that I wanted to share with you. I still, of course, will never move my AMP tokens to another cryptocurrency, even though I may get more money. Because of course it's $6,000. You can totally make a lot of money with $6,000. If, for example, I move to, I don't know, Dogecoin or Shiba Inu or SafeMoon or Koti, the new one that I'm gonna also touch a little bit. So those are my thoughts that I want to share with you. For AMP token, it's probably gonna take longer. Anything when it comes to the price can happen because the price jump that we had. So it right here on earlier this week, or last week actually, the 23rd. So if of course people buy and immediately sell, which that will be some whale movement. But anyway, guys, feel pretty pumped. Those are the initial thoughts. Because I also want to talk about Cardano and much more. But I just want to say hi to the chat, everyone. Jim, Clayton, Kings, Bullish, Ronald, Clayton, Dana, Pablo. How you doing, everyone? Welcome. I'm so happy to see everyone. Pablo, Jason, AJ Tube, Harold. If you have a question about a cryptocurrency, at the end of the live stream, I'm gonna get to most of them, guys. I promise you that. Okay. As always, guys, my name is Oscar Ramos, and in this live stream, we talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrency. That's what I've been doing over the last, that's what I've been doing more fiercely over the last months. But I started my channel April 2020, when, of course, the pandemic was at its peak. And I asked myself, Oscar, you have to make this time worth it. And I started this YouTube channel, and I've been growing ever since, and it's all because of you guys. I'm here because of the community giving me that support and providing amazing feedback and helping the cause and relating to me. That's it, guys. I'm not here because I'm very good at what I do. It's just I'm learning a lot. I've always tried to bring you the facts and honesty. That's what I can bring to you guys. So if you like and enjoy what you're watching and can relate, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Everyone, I appreciate your support a lot. And for those who know me, you know that I drink a lot of water, so here it is. Alrighty, guys. So let's get to this. Let's get to work. Let's get to the number one, which is AMP token for those who are watching. Now, AMP token, everyone. I mean, what can I say? AJ Tube, thank you for that support, my man. I appreciate it. I'm going to get to more questions by the end, guys. I just want to go ahead and leave you with my thoughts. If some people may watch it after the live stream ends, so I wanted to be quick for them, right? So typical holding time for AMP token, 34 days, popularity 28. Guys, I remember when Coinbase popularity AMP token was number 8. Number 8. Now it's 28. Why? Well, if you are not really used to cryptocurrencies, or you are maybe an expert, whoever you are, cryptocurrencies, it's treated like gambling. What do I mean with that? It's not because all of them are like gambling. It's not because all of them are like fake or odds. No, it's because most of the people who trade cryptocurrencies just want the cheese. They want the cheese. They want the money, my man. And there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. But for me, here's the difference. I want a good next level type of Tesla revolutionary project that can take the money I'm putting right now into something spectacular. For that, you have to hold your ground and build a position, solid position. And that is the perfect segue to WAM token, guys. After doing my research on this cryptocurrency, I think not many can compare to the payment technology advance and blockchain infrastructure that AMP has. By watching interviews, by looking at everything, one will see the price of AMP token and say, wow, this is a steal. Why? Well, if you don't know, AMP token has 100 billion in total supply. Guess which cryptocurrency has also 100 billion? And I'm going to use my awesome thecoinperspective.com. Another cryptocurrency that also has 100 billion total supply is, drum rolls, XRP. And XRP, everyone, has a price of, as we know, what is the price of XRP? I don't even know. Has a price of, here, $1.14. $1.14 is XRP. And of course, if AMP token had an XRP's market cap of 53 billion, everyone, would be, not an M, billion, would be worth $1.11, an upside of 18x for AMP token. Now, is AMP token XRP Ripple? No, it is not. Ripple is a beast that not many understand. It's completely technological, advanced. XRP is huge, right? So huge that you cannot buy it. But I'm not going to talk about XRP here. What I'm saying is I see that when it comes to total supply and the coins, we can get to $1. We can get above even 50 cents because the total coins wouldn't matter too much right now. Why? Because XRP also has 100 billion coins. That's the first thing. Second thing, the price of AMP token right now is 6 cents, 5 cents. Why is that? Well, now by looking at things, it is the price that AMP token has been for the last couple of months, but not for the last couple of years, because it wasn't actually around the couple of years. Started in 2020 here on Gemini, right? So last year, right now is barely gonna be September 2021. Last year, guys, September 16, we haven't even reached September 16 for this year. The price of AMP token was 0.01. Imagine 0.01. And right now, 0.06. Wow. So it's not really a huge increase. That means that if in 1 year, AMP token increase, give me 1 second, 0.00, my bad, 0.00. I cannot see very well. The numbers are really small. So 0.00, right? Market cap, supply and demand, Pablo Bumper, absolutely. So it did really increase a lot in 1 year. If I can wait long enough for me to get to that 5x, 10x, I will do it, guys. I will do it, absolutely. That's the way I think, everyone. At the beginning of my this live stream, before I was going live, I read your comments and said, I think I'm very disappointed in AMP and also in ACH, which we're also going to be talking this night. Everyone, let me be the voice of truth here, and I can tell you, we can wait. We can wait, everyone. That is what I can do. We can wait. I can wait. And if you cannot wait, go for it. There's always great projects out there. There's always great projects out there. Like, of course, we know Solana, we know Cardano, we know Ethereum and Bitcoin, and much more. But for me, after doing all the research and after going through the credentials of the founders and the people in charge of this coin, because I've been talking about that in the channel as well, how they are focused on adding to what the merchant has, created AMP token to be this democratic blockchain technology. And of course, they want every app to be able to handle Flexa. That's basically Flexa network. My only chance for AMP token is to hold on and stay. That's what I have to do, and that's what I'll do. And let me tell you, I'm not saying that I'm gonna just hold on AMP token for 5 years or like without seeing any growth. I also want to see growth. Why not? I think the worst case scenario for me, and we have to be completely honest here, guys, because you guys are watching and you have to hear this. This is my money. That's your money that you're putting in. I would love to see AMP token away from 6 cents by the end of the year. If AMP token stays at 6 cents by the end of the year 2021, then I'll be doing an evaluation of the coin and asking questions. Should I move to another project? Should I decrease my position? I mean, those are valid questions, right? Because I think there was enough time. So you know that we also have to be logical and understand how things are moving. Right now, everything looks okay for AMP token to continue growing up. But that is, a couple of things. I'm still sold on the project. It's an amazing project and stuff. And I don't mind waiting enough to see the jump. Alrighty? That is what I can tell you about AMP, everyone. The price, of course, we're looking at 6 cents right now. Still 6 cents. That's great. Right now, the volume, nothing much to say, but selling. That's what we've been seeing right now. Selling. The RSI, everyone, dipping a little bit. Of course, if it continues dipping, that will be an amazing place for you to start some positions. So that is what it is. Kenny Williams, a lot of these coins could be massive passive income in the next years to come. Absolutely. And here's another beautiful thing about AMP token, guys, that I have to tell you. Even though you may not see the growth in the price of the coin, right? Had to mute that. Capacity. There you go. You can always stake. You can always come here to capacity staking, connect your wallet, guys, and boom, you'll be earning 3-4%. That is also an amazing thing, right? That is one thing that you want to do. And look at this. Here on Gemini, I'm getting 88 AMP every 30 days or $5 every 30 days. That would, if that's not much to you, I understand. But these are the possibilities and what we have at this time. 2.5 billion at this price. And remember, it was above $5 billion when the price was way above with the Coinbase effect. Yes, sir. That was what it is. One thing, important thing about AMP token, everyone. Thank you, Clayton. Appreciate it. Not financial advice. Absolutely. Another thing about AMP token that you guys must know, all the good, the bad news. This is I will say, an okay news. The number of holders has stopped increasing lately. So take a look at this. Let me go ahead and see if I can zoom in. Yes. Okay, now you can see this way better. So starting August, mid-August to almost the last week of August, it was increasing. Now it's starting to go sideways. Starting on August the 26th, all the way to right now, Monday the 30th on August. So it's been trading sideways. What does that mean, guys? Well, if you're an AMP token investor, it means that people are just finding other options. That's what it means. But of course, if the price of AMP token keeps growing, you will see this continuing growing. And we have to remember that other cryptocurrency people and channels have talked about this token. So like I said a couple minutes ago, people follow the cheese, not exactly the utility of the project. And well, you have to get used to and you have to know when you're investing in cryptocurrencies, guys, okay? Right now, I asked you a couple days ago, what is your current crypto strategy? And we are buying and we are holding. So I know this is my AMP token fam, most of you guys, and you guys are holding with me. We are holding the fortress nice and steady, because once AMP token finally decides to rise, we guys will be in a great position. We'll be in a perfect position, absolutely. A great deal. If you long term with AMP token, you're good. But if you want to make money with the next one, this is not the coin. Well, the great deal, I would agree with you. Absolutely. Absolutely. But I do remember a couple months ago when AMP token was moving heavily, right? Oh, those were the days. Those were the days. Next one, everyone. So to leave things clear, I'm still with AMP token for the end of the year and beginning of the next year. I still believe that this is an industry that is gonna get revolutionized and change. It's just that you have to think about it, everyone, because we are already way ahead of the game. We buy the cryptocurrency. We understand a little bit better what the rest of the 99% of the population don't know. We want things to happen right now, right? But not knowing that there's millions of people who are not even into cryptocurrencies and don't know this. So eventually, of course, it's going to take much, much longer for people to actually realize the value of these cryptocurrencies, right? For example, right now, you and I own Cardano. That is the next cryptocurrency I'm going to be talking right now. But there's still people who have no idea what Cardano is. And that will be a little bit like, are you kidding me? Really? Yes, it is. How you doing, Rolando? Welcome. Hector. Staking, planting the seeds so that my grandchildren can play in the tree. That's true. I would agree with that. How you doing, Hemi? Welcome, welcome. So guys, Cardano, I mentioned my last video yesterday with Cardano that, well, Charles, in his latest live stream, right, he gave it a go. It's a go for Cardano. What does that mean for Cardano? It means that they're ready for September 1st. The first, I have my notes right here. It's going to be the HFC event, Alonso Primary Testnet. That's for Cardano. So it's just basically starting to add and integrate, the Alonso update. Then on September 9th is update proposal. Basically what he was saying is there's going to be a lot of bugs that they're going to be facing, and that's a way for them to clean them up. And finally on September 12th is the Alonso Cardano rollover. Yes. So who is excited here for Cardano? Everyone who is excited in the house, in the live stream right now, excited for Cardano, let me know very much with the chat, guys. Are you a Cardano holder, buyer? Plus, if you're enjoying the live stream, everyone, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells, everyone. There you go. Question of the day, super chat in the chat. Cardano, yes or no? In my opinion, everyone, if you're watching this live right now, why do I like Cardano? Well, let me ask you. Well, let me tell you, actually. I like it because, number one, Ethereum is the biggest rival to Cardano, or Cardano is the biggest rival to Ethereum, whichever way you want to see it. So that idea is because Ethereum is a blockchain and a cryptocurrency that allows projects to be developed, dApps, decentralized apps. It allows for any kind of applications right now that you want to run in a decentralized platform. The issue with Ethereum, of course, is that it's a proof of work. That is Ethereum, the normal Ethereum right now. As you know, and if you don't know, Ethereum 2.0 is coming up. That means that Ethereum 2.0 is aspiring to become this proof of stake platform, right? As we also know that there's cryptocurrencies that are aiming to help Ethereum, such as Polygon, Matic, and that's what we see over and over. I wouldn't be surprised if there's cryptocurrencies or new projects that instead of helping the Ethereum platform, now will be helping the Cardano blockchain, the Alonso, smart contracts platform. That will be great because, oh boy, every single week we see more and more and more cryptocurrencies coming to the market. That's what we see, everyone, and I'm happy, but it's very difficult to keep up. Alrighty, so we have Cardano, yes or no. We have 86% saying yes, so that means that most of you guys are with me on board. What do you guys like the most about Cardano? Let me know. Cardano is going to the moon. Was ADA trash when it was at 4 cents? Yeah, I can tell you, Hemi, that the first time people introduced Cardano to me, I thought it was a scam, and I saw it on TikTok. I've said it many, many, many times, but those are one of my biggest regrets. That I can tell you. That I can tell you. Yes. Gregory, AMP is trash. ADA is cash. Perfect. Yeah, I mean, I understand and I know, right? If it's making money for you, well, you will have an opinion, but that's fine. One day, everyone, I'm gonna be so excited that that $6,000 investment in AMP token was actually worth it. Sometimes it's difficult, to hold on, but it's all gonna be fine. Just trust the project call and diamond hands, baby, diamond hands. Now, when it comes to Cardano and the price, everyone, let's go ahead and take a look at this. High, low. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and start zooming in. There you go. Boom. So right now, in this short, from August the 23rd to August the 30th, to 1 week, we are seeing... Of course, the price hasn't really dropped below 250 just recently. It did reach 247 on the 26th. So my first thought when it comes to Cardano is that I thought it was gonna, be back at around $2 or so. That is still a great price entry for Cardano, guys. You see Cardano at $2. I will grab it so bad and so fast that you wouldn't even see it, everyone. Cardano coming with the Alonso upgrade as one of the best things that you can experience when it comes to tokenomics and blockchain opportunities. Because not also you can be an investor for participating in buying Cardano, but also you have a project that you want to develop in the Cardano blockchain. Now you will be able to do it. And that's pretty cool. Now, that is not my forte. I'm not a software engineer. I mean, I don't know. I don't do that. That is, for way more advanced and smart people. But you just imagine how many different projects will be hosted there. That's amazing. So at this point in time, the price of Cardano is 284 right now, for what, 285, 284, and it's barely touching, as you see on the screen right now, the upper band of the RSI. Let me go ahead and show you the MACD. Beautiful. So you're seeing right now the MACD. What does that mean? It means that the MACD is about to be touching the signal. That means that it could easily start decreasing the price. By looking at this, guys, the MACD here at the bottom, it's about to touch it. That means that there's a chance for a retracement, a lengthy retracement. However, it's not that nothing special is coming for Cardano in the upcoming weeks, right? Absolutely, totally the opposite. Alonso is coming for Cardano. So here's the deal. I do see one way of seeing this. Okay, here it goes. Oh, wow. Today I decided to sneeze a lot. But here's the deal with Cardano. By looking at how everyone addresses this cryptocurrency, and by looking how the founder even speaks about it, and the optimism that it's following this project, I am way more inclined to believe that close to and during the launch of Alonso, the price could go way above $3, right? However, for those day traders who are watching, you do want to start, some very smart positions, because there's going to be a lot of volatility and sideways trading. There will be a lot of buying and selling for Cardano. That I can guarantee you. That I can tell you guys. That I can tell you. And some people really like that a lot. And my best recommendation for you guys, if you want to do that for Cardano, is to go back here and to open Coinbase Pro. Why Coinbase Pro? Because here's when you can buy and sell your Cardanos instantly, very easy, for the cheapest fees possible. Coinbase Pro, that is the place for me. Right now, I don't have anything on my portfolio because everything I've been moving to the normal Coinbase. It's on zeros right now, $3.62. So my Cardano, everything is moved because I like to have it on my normal Coinbase. But that's what I can tell you. I'm very excited for it. Very excited. What do you guys think? Gregory, ADA will have it around 350 on September 12 and pull back with bearish September. Bitcoin pull back around 240. And even that, Gregory, even if it does that, 240, it's like the best price ever, to be honest with you. Hopefully, they're all gonna surpass the top soon altogether. Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, yes. I use 1 hour for a daily, but I'll make levels on those weekly. Hemi, AMP will grow in my opinion. You won't lose money. Hemi, yeah, I do agree with that. Absolutely. Just sometimes you cannot hold this excitement, and you really want to see it already blow up. Let's go back here. Look at the trending right now. Let's go and check Cardano. 284, everyone. Here it is. Popularity number 3. Trading activity 74%. That's nice. Circulating supply 71% of total supply. Legit. This is a great project. Just hitting all-time high after all-time high after all-time high. Right now, so that tells me, guys, this is the price of Cardano, guys, here right now, what you're seeing, without the smart contracts. So what's going to happen is this. Listen to this very closely. For Cardano, if this was the average price for Cardano without smart contracts, what is going to be the consolidated price for Cardano with smart contracts? Well, definitely has to be higher than $2.30, right? Which that was the peak back in May. Definitely. And much definitely, which this was a bear type of scenario that we had in the cryptocurrency space. This was the start of the beginning of the growth. So I do agree that we will be coming down to the high $2 once the launch of Alonso finally releases. I do agree with that. So what I expect is a jump, because people from all over will be jumping and buying this beauty. And then after that will be a retracement sell-off. And then finally we'll continue staying in a consolidation price that I agree will be around this price, $260, $280, or even $3. Because just in the last year, guys, 2,300%. Are you kidding me? And even in the last month, what is that? 117%. Baby, what is that? That's so delicious. You see what I'm saying? So look, which can be used as a store value to send and receive payments and for staking and paying transaction fees on the Cardano network. Very complete. Very complete. Because remember, for AMP token, you only have one purpose. And that's the difference of having such of a high price for Cardano or Ethereum or XRP. When you have way more value proposition, you add more value to the cryptocurrency and you keep growing. You keep growing. Jim, what is it and where do you stake it? Cardano, I know people stake it on Exodus, and in other on Exodus they receive about 4% or so. Yes, that's what I've heard people do that on Exodus. Everyone, if you're liking the live stream, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Thank you very much, everyone. Appreciate it. Ooh, what a good one. So that is Cardano, guys. Still we have, I'm gonna go ahead and check the dates for the 12th, exactly 2 weeks, guys. You're seeing right now, or you may not be seeing that because it's blocking by my camera, but in 2 more Sundays, this one and the next one, 2 more Sundays, and we're gonna see Alonso happening. So I'm telling you guys right now, if you're watching, on the 12th, I'll be here and we'll be having a blast online. I should be here. I hope to be here, but yes, I will be here. I'm gonna create a scheduled event or something like that for us to watch what happens with the price of Cardano. So don't miss it. We're gonna have tons of fun with Cardano, everyone. Oh, there you go, Ryan. Thank you. 5% on Voyager. There you go. When XRP is gonna be able to trade? That's a good question, Harold. I don't know. But once it happens, I will definitely start some positions on XRP. Absolutely. You have no idea. Absolutely. Pablo Bonfar, also follow his channel, Spanish channel. For those who are Spanish speakers, I have on the description of this live, the last link. There's my link for my Spanish channel. If you guys want to support, and go ahead and subscribe. So once I start uploading, you guys will be the first ones to know. Everyone, that's Cardano. Totally love this cryptocurrency, same as AM token, and that's the good one, Cardano. So from the MACD, there's a chance, as you're seeing right now, this blue line. If I go ahead and check the settings, the blue line is the MACD, and the orange one is the signal. So the blue line is getting close to the signal. That means that could be the start of a retracement, right? Back down. Could also happen, but I mean, being the top 3 by market capitalization, that does help you with the demand, right? Because I'm talking, there's some people who still don't know it. That also could be the way people are not buying it a lot. But once you are at number 3, I mean, you are noticeable. That's easy. People know what you are. Alrighty. For those who are interested about ACH, we'll go ahead and touch base very quickly on this one, because I know I may have some people here about ACH. But ACH, guys, I think this, when it comes to ACH, we have people that loved this rally and are expecting for something like that right now. ACH time, guys. It may not happen as soon as you expect. Because now we're seeing with ACH, everyone, that is just trading sideways at the 11 cents or so. And guess what? ACH people right now are a little bit sad. And I understand. I mean, we, the AM token family, we've been waiting for a long time. So you might actually follow us and start the journey of holding. By looking at the RSI for ACH, I'm going to go ahead and also open the MACD for you guys. Take a look at that. MACD, this tells me that it's sideways trading easily on 100% siding trading. So nothing very special to see here for the MACD, but guess what is this? I don't like that the RSI is very close to the upper, because it can totally come back down and get right in the middle of the RSI, right in the middle. And if it does that, from 10 cents will come back to that 7 cent consolidation price that we had for about 2 weeks. That's for ACH. I like the project with ACH. Another important thing with ACH, guys, is a friend of mine sent me a message. Basically, he was doing some research with ACH, and he found that ACH was operating without a license in their home country. And if I'm not mistaken, ACH was created in Singapore. So I still haven't dig down enough because I've been, busy with other stuff. But just letting you know that. Just letting you know that I was informed of that. Go ahead and take some time if you are an ACH holder. And that is, I think, the perfect segue for me to tell you that the more cryptocurrencies that you see online, that you see on CoinMarketCap, the more diligent and careful you have to be. Because understand that there's always going to be, I'm not saying this is ACH, absolutely not. I have money on ACH, so not much, but I have some money there. I'm not saying that's true as well. This is just something that I was informed about not operating with the proper license, but that's just what I'm informed. Regardless if it's true or not, regardless, you always want to be careful what cryptocurrencies you put in your money, okay? The cryptocurrencies that I mentioned here in the channel is most of them I have money on. So that is why I mentioned them and I have money on them, right? If for some reason one of them turns to be a fake or a total scam, which I don't think so, to be honest with you, I'll have to act quickly. And of course, I'll let my audience know, right? You cannot control what happens to the projects. I cannot control with my hands, and I cannot go to Tyler Spalding and tell him, hey, can you please work harder on Flexa network so AMP token rises above? No, I cannot do that. Same as ACH, same as Cardano, same as Bitcoin, same as Ethereum. But I'll give my price prediction, Marcus, absolutely. But what I can tell you, what I can do is to fully examine where I'm putting my money, especially in cryptocurrencies, guys. Stocks, it's a little bit better because stocks are more regulated, and the federal government, the what is the word I'm looking for? The indexes, right? NASDAQ, S&P, they all have their own methods of catching, the bad apples. Like, for example, I don't know if you knew, but if you're listed in any big index like S&P, NASDAQ, or Dow Jones, you need to meet some criteria for a period of time. Like, for example, I've heard of if you are below like $1 for X amount of days, like they're gonna delist you. So you are kind of more regulated when it comes to the stock market, but when it comes to cryptocurrencies, there's no regulation. So because it's decentralized, right? So to end this point, always be on the lookout when you're investing your money in cryptocurrencies. What I do, if I go to Coinbase right now, my portfolio and what I have: Cardano, Algorand, AMP, Alchemy, Ethereum 2, Bitcoin, right? That's what I do right here. And on Gemini, so you see, this is what I have on Gemini. So the cryptocurrencies I own, I'll consider them to be a little bit boring because, of course, many of us know them. And that's the way I like it. It's fine. I'm not really rushing to get the next Dogecoin 100x tomorrow because I know I may not catch it, right? That is just me. But I'm true to myself, and I'm like, I'd rather put money where I know it's going to be safe rather than risking it very heavily. What do you guys think? I would love to hear your thoughts while I read your questions. Hey, Juan, nice to hear, but appreciate it. Kenny Williams, 250,000 is a good amount to hold for ACH or what? Hold at ACH, buddy. Okay, 250,000 ACH. Well, that's some big investment, everyone. Only buy when you can, where you are able to lose. That is the rule, everyone. That is the rule. Buy what you are able to lose. And why do I say that? Not because you're gonna lose it or so, right? But at least you know that you will be fine under the worst case scenario. That is what we say it. And I'm not the only one who says it. ACH Alchemy Pay, everyone, 61% popularity. So we see that at least I'm talking is still 28, so it's way better than ACH. That's okay. 57% buy, and circulated supply 3.2 billion ACH. That's great. So ACH has now more market capital. Oh no, my bad. I was reading the circulated supply. It's the market cap. 347 million market cap. Great. Now I'm reading one. Yeah, because remember, ACH has 10 billion coins and AMP token has 100 billion. So my thoughts on ACH, guys. I do have my ACH. How much do you need to become a millionaire ACH? Well, that I can tell you. You need quite a bit of ACH to become a millionaire, and I would love to see this cryptocurrency rising steadily, as it's doing right now. I'm not saying it's not. It's doing it right now. So, and plus, Bitboy Crypto mentioned Alchemy Pay like a couple days ago. So that's pretty cool, knowing his thoughts on cryptocurrency and on Alchemy Pay. He was doing, basic summary of the coin, of the cryptocurrency, things that we've been talking in the channel before. So that, just to give you an idea that the big boys are noticing of these cryptocurrencies, everyone. Delicious. I'm going to go over the questions. We got a lot of questions here, and I want you guys to be heard. First one, Pablo, Oscar question. When you put money on Flexa to stack, if the coin goes up in value, is still winning another exchange, like if you have it on Coinbase? You're staking coins, Pablo, on Flexa network, like you're staking AMP token. You are seeing mostly your rewards. Since I still haven't started staking, because I'm telling you, I'm waiting for the gas prices to decrease. I don't know yet how it looks, but I don't think Flexa gives you the total and how much of your, or like the total price of AMP token. I think it gives you the rewards that you're earning. Don't quote me on that, but once I start staking, once the price of the gas decreases, I'll let you know more precisely, Pablo. But good question. Mr. Frost, I have $1,000 right now waiting for ACH to pull back a bit more. Good strategy. Right now, I mean, as you see the RSI, I mean, things are looking that ACH crypto could start decreasing. You see right now, Mr. Frost, on August the 19th, it's when it started declining to 6 cents. Right now, could start declining too as well. Juan Agosto, hey, welcome, buddy. Appreciate it. Hey, Harold, good to see you, buddy. Appreciate it. NFTs taking off recently, Sandox in particular. Yes, definitely. There's always going to be the sugar, and people are going to be following the sugar everywhere it goes. This is a good way of seeing this, guys, on the year to date. I have the year to date here on Alchemy Pay. You see that the yellow line right here, this is the 21-day exponential moving average, and the price is above. When you see the price below the exponential moving average, best time to buy, especially in the year to date. Now you know. So when it comes to AMP token, this is a 21-day. Right now, it's a delicious time to buy AMP token if you want to become an AMP token investor. And when it comes to ADA, well, you're seeing the prices way above the 21-day. It will have to come back down to $2.37 for ADA to be really at a price that you'll be dying to buy some more. So in a perfect world, ADA will stay at this price for like forever, and keep growing. But in a typical world here in cryptocurrencies, and I've seen it over and over and over again, this rise could be just their rumors and news. And once Alonso comes back, or like starts to launch and people start to get it adopted, there will be a lot of movement here in the cryptocurrency space. Have two portfolios, one for trading and one for long-term investor. Junior Ramirez, very good strategy, buddy. That is what I'm doing. Very good. So now, guys, one thing I also wanted to show you is COTI, Coinbase Pro. Our COTI USD order is not full trading mode because a lot of people been checking out COTI. It's another cryptocurrency that is just coming up, and it seems to be getting a lot of traction. Let me go ahead and show you right now, because I also like to tell you, some of the cryptocurrencies that are attractive and sexy for you to check out. So we went over the Etherscan for AM token. So basically, right now there's really not increasing in the holders. And does that concern me? Does that worry me? Not really. But I always like to see AM token keep increasing when it comes to the holders. That I can tell you. I've told you that AM token really looks like when it comes to the total supply to XRP. I love to see it. I love to see it. So let me go ahead and show you this if this starts to work. There you go. All assets. And I'm going to find COTI because I saw how, there it is, COTI. So it was just added in, let me go ahead and show you. There you go. So when you have a cryptocurrency like COTI jumping from 11 cents to about 40 cents, I mean, people are going to start buying it like crazy. I believe the first time I saw COTI, it was like 99% buy, and that was insane. That was insane. So now it's 83%. So yeah, as I'm telling you guys, people look the cheese. That's what they want, the cheese. Number one trending on CoinMarketCap, Solana, Audios, and Binance Coin. Solana did very well the last couple of 7 days, guys, passing everyone to $95. So I know I may have some Solana people here, absolutely. And of course, we're already excited for our Gemini portfolio here that we're doing fantastic. Alrighty, everyone, so go ahead and drink some more water. Harold, we talked about AMP in full extent, and I know it's going down. It's going down, our dear AMP. Home here. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. 58, everyone. Delicious. Look at that. I'm gonna go AMP token to the 4 hours. Yep. Selling, everyone. That's what AMP token is doing right now. People selling, people moving to different projects. That's what's happening. That is what's happening most of the time right now. Harold, Oscar, do you recommend me to convert all the 250,000 ACH to Cardano or hold and wait? Well, Harold, I wouldn't have, like, it really depends how much money you have right now. Like, I don't know what is your total budget for AC or like for your total crypto budget. But personally speaking, I always had more money on projects that are more consolidated or more known, right, to the public. Like, I know if I have 90% of my investment in Cardano or Ethereum, I wouldn't be concerned at all. Zero concern. I will go back to sleep nice and steady, right? But for ACH crypto, I think that will be a lot of money putting in that cryptocurrency, right? If I see a cryptocurrency that is in the top 10, top 20 by market capitalization, that already gives me a certain level, a certain degree of confidence in that project, right? That is what I can tell you. And ACH crypto is in number 61, or on CoinMarketCap is more than a 200 place. So that is my answer to you, my man. So yeah, AMP token 0.05, everyone. What a price. What a price. That I can tell you. What a price. And of course, not ignoring Ethereum and Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin 48,000, Ethereum 3,200. So of course, Bitcoin is not in that 50,000 range, 60,000 range that a lot of people are forecasting for these upcoming days and weeks. Bitcoin and Ethereum passing, sometimes I read the craziest titles on YouTube. Ethereum saying maybe 50,000 or so, but eventually I do agree we'll get there. But oh boy, it's like It's taking a while, and it's totally fine. It's totally fine. Put everything in Cardano. Richard saying it's just a good project, my man. It's a good project. It's like we're earlier, back in the early days of Ethereum. That's the way I see it, because there's no other cryptocurrency like Cardano with a proof of stake that I know of, other than Algorand, right? But like Cardano, really not many. Not many. And of course, $3, guys. Like, what are you? Are you kidding me? Like, once again, let me go back to the coin perspective. We know that for Ethereum, the total supply is 100 right now, 117 million. So if I go Cardano comparing to Ethereum, just take a look at this, guys. You're seeing right now on the screen. Current ADA price is $2.87. The potential price $11.71 if it had the Ethereum market cap. That will be Cardano, guys. And that is the only market capitalization prediction. I say that is not crazy. That is not crazy. That's the only one. Like, if I do the AMP token compared to XRP, that's not feasible right now in the short term. But for Cardano to Ethereum, I see that feasible, because once you add the smart contracts and everything that, of course, Charles been talking about in his live stream, and so what can stop it? The beautiful thing is that you do want to be early, because once the price of Cardano reaches $4 to $5, that jump is not going to be as huge as if you were doing it at $1 or so. Because remember, when the price of Cardano was $1, oh, back in those beautiful days, right? Back in those beautiful days. So yeah, for Cardano, there's not really much upside rather than Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's what it is. Gameplay with the first super chat of the night. Thank you so very much, my friend. Appreciate it a lot. And I'm going to give you a little present by telling you that, because you're asking for Shiba Inu. I think Shiba Inu right now, it's going to get very explosive. Oh, Harold, you make me laugh so much. Well, you know, gameplay, that Shiba Inu is going to come to Webull. So are you excited for that gameplay? Eventually, Shiba Inu is going to be reaching, well, I mean, I think it's already within the top 50 market capitalization. So just get ready and see what happens with it, right? So Shiba Inu, for those who are the holders, I wish you the best. I think that's going to be a good, fun ride for you guys. XRP, a huge upside, absolutely. So to tell you guys, with Cardano, I'm very excited, and that's why now it's my project. So I finished my AMP token portfolio, 100,000. There it is. Wish you the best. That's my blessing. Kiss. Good night. Thank you, AMP token. We'll continue talking about AMP token. We'll continue cheering up the AMP token community, the empire. I'm there for you, AMP token. Now, next, here's the second one, Cardano. Let's go ahead and crush it. So as you're learning here in my channel, everyone, I'm going to go back to the prices here. As you're learning in my channel, guys, is building nice and strong foundations. That's what I'm known for to myself. Like, I don't like to follow the cheese and the sugar. I like to see a good project and go and build something delicious on it for the future. Because remember, everyone, if for some reason the worst thing happened and something super bad comes to the crypto market, you at least know that you're putting your money in good, reliable projects that will survive if anything, regulations or government starts banning cryptocurrencies or stuff. Find projects that can survive such type of hard times. Gameplay with another super chat. Thank you so very much. Appreciate it, my man. Thank you so much. You're awesome, buddy. Yes, Webull on, Shiba Inu on Webull. Be ready. Gameplay It's gonna be just for you, my man. Mark Lee with another super chat. Thank you so very much, Mark. Appreciate it. Can you review TrueFi, please? I will, just for you. Thank you so much. And Ricky Torres, thank you so very much for the super chat. I appreciate it. Do you have a stop loss videos from crypto or stock? I have stop losses on stock, but on crypto, I believe I don't have. Ricky, if you have, of course, some stop losses or you want to add some stop losses, I believe you can add them on any exchange. I really don't have any stop losses on crypto because my perspective on cryptocurrency is not to be trading, right? I'm a staker, I'm a holder. So that is the way I operate, right? So I'm going to go ahead and leave the price of ADA Cardano right now. It seems that you guys want to take a look at that. And I have my phone right now, and I'm going to go ahead and review TrueFi for our friend here. TrueFi, please. Which it has a cool name, TrueFi. I wonder what is that. Kenny, Oscar, do you need a mod? Eventually, I will need a mod. Yes, Kenny. Eventually, yes. I'm building to 100,000 like you. I have 50,000. I'm so far. Juan Agosto, congrats, buddy. That's awesome. That's really cool. You're building to 100,000 like me. That's great. Oscar, does the ACH project will have a great project? ACH will have a great project. Yeah, they do have an amazing project. I guarantee you, Harold. Absolutely. Let's see. True. Let's see. What is this beauty? True. True is the native token of the TrueFi project and it's used for true trust token holders. Ultimately have a say over who is incredible borrower. Okay, TrueFi. Yes, TrueFi, right? Yes, TrueFi. It's a protocol for creating interest-bearing pools with high APRs for liquidity providers. TrueFi includes utility and rewards mechanisms used to trust players and rewards participants. It kind of sounds to me like something a decentralized exchange will use, like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. And let me see the all. I see. Yeah. So where's my friend here? Mark Lee. By looking at the price right now at the all, I see how I'm sure it was pumped a lot. It went all over from 0.01 to 5 to 50 cents, 83 cents, and I came back down. Well, I think that's what happens with cryptocurrency a lot, right, Mark? Max supply of 1 million, 1.4 billion. That's not bad. Cryptocurrency exchange. Oh, really? It's on Coinbase? Cool. Let me see. True. TrueFi. Here it is. TrueFi is a Ethereum token that powers TrueFi. There it is, a decentralized. That's what I said. A decentralized finance pool for uncollateralized lending using an on-chain credit scores. Approve or reject a new loan. Governance. 10%. TrueFi, meet TrueFi, the DeFi platform, collateralized lending, earn high yields on stable loans. And okay. Well, Mark, after giving it a good glance, it does seem like a good idea project. Not in my radar, but thank you so much for the super chat and for that for putting it on my radar now. That's cool. TrueFi looks good, but of course, as always, be careful with those swing tradings because it seems that it was pumped for a lot from like 2 cents all the way to, or from like 20 cents all the way to 80 cents. So that's insane. Tom Brooks, let's do this, Oscar. AM token, baby. Absolutely, guys. Oh, our AM token. You will see, guys. You will see once AM token starts taking off. Oh, baby, that's gonna be something else. And I'll be here to document everything. I guarantee you that. If you guys are liking and watching the live stream, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells, everyone. I appreciate it a lot, honestly. You know, by leaving the price of AM token right here, looking at a 5-6 cents, I can tell you, everyone, for those who are watching, how thankful I am for, for this week. I honestly just see the numbers coming in, and I'm just very thankful and excited for what's coming in 2021. When it comes to, let's say, subscribers, I never imagined passing 3,000 subscribers or like 4,000 subscribers, and now we're going on pace to reach 10,000 subscribers before the year ends. And that's because of you, because of the support. And I just wanted to take some time to say thank you. I start seeing the numbers and I'm like, wow, if we continue doing this for another year, this could get out of hands and just go to the next level. And I already have the plans. I already have some ideas, because, as you know, we have 9-to-5 jobs that we have to continue, that we have to work on. But don't have words to say, how excited I am to continue building on this project that I have of my own. And well, I'm very happy. And that's why, if you're still watching, guys, there's in my description, the last link, that's a link for my Spanish channel, because I know some people do want to hear what I'm saying in Spanish, and I'm already branching out, right? It's still not ready. I'm not gonna do it yet, but it's already in the works, and that's what I'm planning to do. So get excited, everyone, because that's coming. And of course, if you want to be closer to my circle and talk to me off hours, there's my link down below for Patreon, so you can talk to me on Discord. Patreon for Discord. And I already have a community. Also, my memberships here on YouTube, you have right next to the the subscribe button, you have the join button if you want to become a VIP member. So you have the choice if you want to be on Patreon or VIP here on YouTube. Any or all of that is extremely grateful and well received. And I thank you guys so much for your support. Gameplay with another super chat. Thank you so very much, my man. Please go ahead and check fetch.ai. Absolutely, buddy. We'll go ahead and check fetch.ai for you. Hex lamps. My apartment central air went out 7 days ago. My landlord won't fix it, and my kids have been at 90 degrees inside. I hope ACH gets me out of soon. Oh, HEX, I know what you're saying, my man. Wow. Well, you're putting your money in cryptocurrency, so you're of course expecting the best, right? Fetch.ai. AI crypto. Let's go ahead and take a look at that one. You guys always bring to me some of the craziest cryptocurrencies I've never heard of. Is this on Coinbase? Let me go ahead and see. Okay, yes, it's on Coinbase, so I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. Richard, have a good one, buddy. Peace. Take it easy, my man. Can AMP reach $10 at the end of 2022? If AMP token reaches $10 by the end of 2022, Benjamin, I won't be going back to work because I will be so rich. Here it is. Feet or fat. Thank you, Juan Agosto. Appreciate it. Oh, yes. I think you're saying that to X. Nice. So FED, it's an Ethereum token that powers Fed's decentralized machine learning for applications at asset trading, big economy. Oh, wow. Let me see. Price. Okay, 65% of total supply, 761. Okay, so that means that has less than 2 billion. Okay, 5 cents, 5 cents all the way to 78 cents. What? That is huge. Came back down to 20. Now it's back down to 56. Wow. Fetch.ai. Artificial intelligence for blockchains. Open source tokenized decentralized machine learning network enables smart infrastructure built around the decentralized digital economy. Oh. Oh, wow. Look, this is what happens. Gameplay. Thank you so much for the support, my man. Honestly, I appreciate it a lot. This is what happens. And listen to what I'm gonna say. Look, I'm gonna go back to the prices so we all see the prices here. The issue is not that the projects are not competitive. The projects each of them have a great unique proposition. The issue is that whales and way smarter investors in cryptocurrency know about these projects way earlier than any of us. And you see the changes in price, it's because they buy and sell so fast that it messes up the whole price. I just saw the price of Fetch. It does seem like a good idea for artificial intelligence. Same for True5. But there's just so many out there. So anyone with enough money can get ahead of the game, buy. Then once it passes the resistance they were looking for, they sell. And that's it. Right? So they cannot do that for Cardano, Ethereum, or Bitcoin because it's already the market cap well above their expectations. And whatever they buy wouldn't really make a dent. But when they look at cryptocurrencies like the ones you just mentioned, or even I'm Token, like right here, if I go to I'm Token, guys, just a week ago, we had this jump right here from 5 cents on August the 22nd to August the 23rd, 7 cents. Then it came back down the day after. So that is not because I'm Token was great for one day and then it was very bad the next day. It's just the demand and supply. And that is what happens with other different tokenomics, with other different market capitalizations, right? Because this happens so fast, because not many people are aware, like myself and most of you guys, we know about Cardano, Ethereum, and much more. But when it comes to these cryptocurrencies, guys, we don't really know exactly when it happens. It just happens, and we're just late for that. Cannot believe it, Tom. Why you're doing this to me? Tom Brooks with the $50 super sticker, if I'm not mistaken. Thank you so very much, Tom. Can't believe it. Can I pin this? I cannot pin this, but man, thank you so very much for your support, my friend. Appreciate it a lot. Appreciate it a lot. Everyone, if you're watching the channel, let's go ahead and give Tom some shout outs in the chat. And for that, I'm going to go ahead and start putting some amazing emojis with the rocket and some flames. Yes, sir. Thank you for supporting the channel, Tom. Appreciate it. There you go, Hex. There's some VIP emojis for you guys. Nice. So as I was saying, guys, cannot believe it. Nothing has matched what Tom has done today. So just taking the lead for the donations box. Eventually, guys, we're gonna get to a point when cryptocurrencies are now mainstream, when people are buying them more. The prices that we're seeing right now are gonna be jokes in the future. So because we'll be well above. So I mean, wow. Excited, everyone, for the future. Excited, absolutely. There you go. Let's go, Tom. Tom, you devil. Tom is taking the lead. Can't believe it, guys. Cheers to Tom, guys. Thank you so much. Ooh, nice. Nice. So you're liking the live stream and all the hype that we have here. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Please do it for Tom. Don't do it for me. Do it for Tom. There you go. A Wood 69, great to see you, buddy. Appreciate it. Nice, 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 nice. Oh man, everyone. Super excited. Fetch.ai, great projects that we have here. Let's go ahead and check, guys. If you have a question or so, it's time for questions. So start posting your questions right now, please. And we'll go ahead and get them. Get them for you. Because it's almost time to bounce. So right now, the ones that are dropping the most, we have Mask Network Rally. Oh, by the way, if you didn't know, you can get like $3 of Rally right now on Coinbase. So go ahead and get your free money on Coinbase right now. I already got my Rally. Okay, go ahead and get it. And Rally, Dash, Drive, MLN, Gitcoin, and much more. Polygon, look at it. Polygon is coming back down. And for the ones that are coming up, we have Decentraland Mana, which I believe this is for NFTs. I remember last time I checked it. True 5, here it is, True 5, the one Mark was saying Fetch. So Fetch, Mark, you were, Mark and Gameplay. You guys were asking for those. So that's nice. Alrighty. Anchor. Absolutely. Which software do you use to stream this live? Dory, I'm using OBS Studio, my friend. Anything on AMP? I've talked about AMP so long this live, my friend. But so far, holding 100,000 AMP, no worries. When it comes to Anchor, guys, great opportunity, great coin. Go ahead and check here on Coinbase. Price is 11 cents. So let's go ahead and take a look at Anchor here. Here it is. Total supply of 10 billion. That is great. That it's restricted, to a different level. Love that it is. Maxed. So started at 0.006, came all the way up to 17 cents, came back to 11. And by looking at the price and how it's trending up, I like it. I don't have Anchor because, as you know, I barely keeping up with my Cardano level, but I like it because you guys been asking about Anchor too. So this is what I can tell you. Get your free coin and convert to ADA, free money when it pumps. Marty, you're so smart. That's what I did. That's what I did with Rally and with many of the other ones. What do you think the reason our strategy is for Gemini having a few coins? Oh, what do you think the reason or strategy for Gemini having less coins, Judah? Well, I mean, Gemini, from what I know, Gemini tries to be a more secure, or they position themselves as a more secure exchange. That is their main proposition. So, of course, they want to bet more thoroughly and strictly the cryptocurrencies they have. That's why when I see a cryptocurrency on Gemini, I know that it's, very Gucci. Anchor is an Ethereum token that powers the Anchor, a Web3 infrastructure and cross-chain staking DeFi platform that aims to make it easy, affordable for anyone who participates in the blockchain ecosystem by building dApps. Does help that beauty of the blockchain construction. So that's nice. That is what you're gonna see a lot when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Not all the cryptocurrencies must be blockchains. Some cryptocurrencies are just gonna support the blockchains or add proposition or value to the blockchain, same as Anchor. So Anchor, a good one. It's just I wish I had more money, guys, to be putting more money on the cryptocurrencies, but now you guys are supporting with this great super chat. Mark Lee, another super chat in the house. Thank you so very much, Mark Lee. I appreciate it a lot, my man. This money just goes to investments. My latest YouTube paychecks that I get from Google AdSense, guys. From YouTube, they go to investment. So every money that you are providing to the channel goes back to the cryptocurrencies to show you, how to invest. And I just want to say thank you, guys, because you make that possible. Thank you, Oscar. Play that, please. Play that. That's another one. Is that on Coinbase? Let's go ahead and take a look at. Play that, please. Absolutely. Play. Let's see if it's. Oh, here it is. Play that. I love it, guys, because you are the ones who know a lot of the cryptocurrencies that I'm only just in my lane. You go to all different lanes. Awesome. So we have 13 cents right now is $1. What? Play that. PLA is an Ethereum token that powers Play that, a blockchain gaming platform. Oh, gaming and NFTs, like it. Pla acts as the primary token for processing transactions on PlayDApp. Game developers also. Okay, I see. Because I know Mana is an NFT token, right? So, of course, there's gonna be way, way, way more for this type of cryptocurrencies. PlayDApp, everyone. This is how it is. I've been seeing this type of illustration many places. I don't know if it's like an image a lot of different cryptocurrency projects use. Oh wow. Our partners: Facebook, Line, Link. What is PlayDApp? It looks great. Look at the partner: Chainlink, Polygon, Sandbox, PlayDApp. What is this? Mark, where were you? You should have told us. Just kidding. What? Look at this. When it was 11 cents on June, now it's $1. Man. PlayDApp is not bad. It does look good, to be honest with you. PLA is not even here. Wow. I just like the partners. That's pretty good. So yeah, it is good because it's a blockchain gaming platform. So once you are buying a cryptocurrency that is a blockchain, that's something else. Going parabolic, yeah. Audius, yes, Audius is another good one too, and that's in the cryptocurrency trending right now. Just make sure you guys, let's all do our research very thoroughly, right, with these cryptocurrencies. Let's all do our research very thoroughly, because I hate to be, the Grinch here, but that's just in my nature, and my nature always tells me, first, allocate money where it works, which I know it works on Cardano, it works on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and projects that they've been with us for a long time, and then later on start diversifying in projects that are way more riskier, right? So that's what I'm gonna leave you as a watcher, as a viewer. Always make sure to start with the things that it work, and then start allocating money somewhere else where it could be a little bit more risky for better gains. Incredible. Fantastic cryptocurrencies that we've been experiencing right now in the live stream, everyone. That is incredible. Gemini Dollar or DAI. I will choose Gemini Dollar because it comes from Gemini, and Gemini is here in the US, and I love it. And to me, it's way safer. Way, way, way safer. Realistically, what are the prices are we expecting for ACH in the future? Well, if I do agree that I'm token can reach about 20 cents in the upcoming future, ACH having 10 times less in total supply, should easily pass 50 cents in a good given day for ACH. That's what I think. Amateur. Hey, Oscar, you have another one that might be a great one. The long run chain chills. If you don't know, it keeps up a good word with my friend. Okay, amateur. That's a good one. Chills. Okay, I'll check it out. I'll put it down, of course, for the latest and next live stream. Absolutely. Inch coin is super slab. Okay, I see. There you go. There's always great cryptocurrencies out there, guys. So as I said in my last video posted yesterday, Saturday, now is my time to allocate my Cardano positions, and this is how I start my conclusion of the live stream, everyone. Right? First and foremost, we did it, guys. We did it the way we started with all the cryptocurrencies. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh. I'm gonna go ahead and close this so my computer goes a little bit smoother and faster. I don't have the greatest computer, but whatever I have, I'm thankful, right? Gotta tell you guys, last week, this was the same price for Token, almost the same price for Alchemy Pay. We were lower in Cardano. Cardano right now is much higher, and Ethereum is close to the same price too. Solana is way higher too. So that is what you can experience in 1 week in crypto trading. A lot of volatility, new projects coming into the market, and well, what I can tell you is that very excited for what's gonna come. Tesos, I do saw Tesos a lot, so I'm gonna do that once. That's gonna be my last one. Tesos, because I've been seeing this, and you can earn a lot of interest too. So let's look at this. $12, 17. So it's been here for a while. Tesos is a blockchain network and smart contracts. Blockchain and smart contract, again, similar to Ethereum. I see. Okay, so it is similar to Ethereum when it comes to the smart contract and blockchain technology. I will use Cardano instead of Tesos for that. But when it comes to the interest, like if you're looking for a blockchain and a smart contract cryptocurrency that gives you interest, the only one that gives you right now on Coinbase will be Tesos. You could also use Ethereum too, that is right now, of course, but you wouldn't be able to get your money back on Ethereum too, because I know all of them. Algorand is another one, right? But Algorand is more focused on the DeFi network. Tesos, by looking at what it says, it does give you as well that interest, delicious interest. So you'll have Algorand and Tesos as blockchains and as smart contract platforms as well. Thank you for letting me know about Tesos, everyone. Alrighty, so guys, we did it. Another week in the books. We made money. 100,000 I'm token was back earlier on Monday. On Monday, I'm token reached all the way to 7 cents. Came back down to 5 cents. 5 cents. 0.075 cents. I'm token earlier this week, at the beginning of the week. But now, of course, came back down all the way to 5 cents. It happens. It's fine. That was expected, but I still believe, that we may need to wait a little longer. And I know people are not going to wait. Some people just don't want to wait, and they're transitioning to other tokens, as we saw on Etherscan, that it's getting flat, the holder's name. So once you start seeing the holders decrease, well, that will be expected for token. But don't worry, I'll still have my 100,000 tokens there waiting. So then when the gas fees on the on Flexa network are cheap enough, I'll go ahead and start getting my delicious staking rewards. In all, guys, get ready for Cardano. September 12th is the Alonso upgrade update, and oh boy, it's gonna get wild. I'll be here to document everything, and wow, what I can say is Thank you for all the amazing super chats, super stickers. I cannot believe it. Of course, Tom, you made it possible. You are the insane $50 super sticker, Tom Brooks. Thank you so very much. And all the rest that guest play and Mark as well. Thank you so very much for what you guys supported me on the channel. I do appreciate everything. And thank you for all the questions. You guys are awesome. Please be safe. As always, you can also check down below if you have a question. I have here, it is my Spanish channel. Is the last link on my descriptions here on the stream. If you go to the description, that will be, I just posted on the chat the link to my Spanish channel. If you guys want to support, and you one day, you know, when actually I start posting this, which I'm looking at probably when I have 50,000 to 20,000 subscribers. Not right now, because I still want to continue developing my community in English, but that will be a different channel with the same purpose, updating and talking about cryptocurrencies, which and stocks and Roth IRA. And as you know, now it's in Spanish here too. So that is one, everyone. If you, of course, wanna talk to me on Discord, what you have to do is check the link down below, click on Patreon, and you're gonna see the stocks, Roth IRA, and crypto English, and I'll be here to talk to you and give you all the thoughts. My community is awesome on Discord. Every single day we talk. There's no day we don't talk, and the questions are amazing. So you guys, if you're interested, let me know. The link down below for Discord. And of course, there's my merchandise as well there. In all, guys, extremely excited. Like I said, pretty happy. We're gonna be getting to 10,000 as we continue slowly but surely developing and putting the great content we're doing right now. Always be safe, be smart with your money, spread out, of course, in investments, diversified, and don't forget about good, reliable index funds for your retirement. That'll be amazing. Thank you guys for tonight. We did it. What a night. And have a blessed day. Next week will be better. I'll see you next time, everyone. Peace. Take it easy, guys. Have a good one. Instant legend. Absolutely, Martin. Absolutely. Thanks for everything, Oscar. We appreciate it. Thank you, Hex. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Ryan, have a good one. Good luck. And good night, guys. Take it easy. Bye. We did it, everyone. Take care. Ciao. For some reason.